Here's the walkthrough tour for 1416 Rue Riviere Court in Port Allen, Louisiana. Here's the front porch. Inside here, the foyer measures 2 inches by 7'3". The living room is 23 feet by 3 inches and 15 feet across. This is porcelain wood-like tile, so it is very durable. This entertainment center, it can stay, it is negotiable. Has a gas fireplace. There is gas utility to the property. The kitchen is 12 feet by 11 feet. Here is the gas stove. It has this griddle, and it also has that main large burner in the center. This is custom tile backsplash. The stove also is a convection oven. This is a smart dishwasher that actually connects to the internet, and there's an app that you can run it. Here's the large oversized sink. It's like a farmhouse style. Here is the walk-in pantry. This is fantastic. It has all these adjustable shelves and this wire rack that actually can roll around and come out if you'd like. This room is 6 feet 9 inches by 6 foot 4 inches. Then that door leads to the garage. And here is the utility room. The washer and dryer also are negotiable. And this room is 6 foot 10 inches by 6 foot 2 inches. This refrigerator is also negotiable. Here is the dining area. The dining area is 11 feet by 11 feet 2 inches. Here is the back porch. It's a fantastic back porch. This measures 27 feet long by 8 feet wide. That middle tree is a satsuma tree. I like that there's no backyard neighbors close, so you really have the woods back past that fence. So it's really private. So down the hall to the left, we have the main bathroom. So this house has 4 bedrooms and 2 baths. What I love about this floor plan is the main bath is a large size, and it does have 2 vanities. Many times in these 4-bedroom houses, you only have 1 sink in the main bath. And if you have a couple of kids that get ready in the morning, you really do like to have 2 sinks. There's also a nice storage closet in this bathroom. Then across the hall is the first bedroom. This bedroom is 13 feet long, 13 feet 1 inches, and then it is 9 feet, 9.5 feet across. And then there is its closet. It looks small on the video because that is an oversized window at the front of the house. So that window is a 4-foot window instead of the traditional 24-inch wide window. And again, this is the ceramic tile that goes from the living room and down the hallway. It goes to the primary bedroom, and then it also goes to this front bedroom right here. This bedroom is 13.8 by 12 feet 7. So this is a fantastic large bedroom. This easily could be a double room for 2. This room also has a large walk-in closet right there. Then this is the third secondary bedroom. This bedroom is 9 feet 2 inches by 12 feet. And there's a standard window right there that this bedroom has. This bedroom also has a walk-in closet with a light. And then continuing down the hall, here's the primary bedroom. This bedroom is 17 feet long, 17.3. And then it's 12 feet 3 inches wide. So this is a fantastic room. I know on the camera it looks small, but this is a huge room. And I just love these ceramic tile floors. Very easy to clean, very durable. And here's the primary bathroom. It does have a jetted tub. Also dual vanities. And then it has an oversized shower that has a bench and 2 areas, 2 little shelf areas. And it does have a light over it, which I think is very convenient. I mean, who likes a dark shower? I don't think anybody. And then here is the walk-in closet. This house does have an on-demand water heater. So here are the controls in the master closet, which is good. You don't want anybody else tinkering with the thermostat of that. So I will go back up to the front. So this concludes our walkthrough tour of 1416 Rue Riviere in Port Allen, Louisiana. And what's great about this property is it's also in the Brusly School District. So even though it has a Port Allen address, it is in the Brusly School District.